guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. I know it is our favorite time of the year, or should I say everybody's favorite time of the year, because the holidays are here basically upon us, and that means deals upon deals upon deals, and who doesn't love a good deal, right? So for Christmas this year, I wanted to get my mom in particular something big and something really special. Her birthday is right after Christmas and it's gonna be her 60th, and I know it's like a big deal. So I partnered with Level8 for brand new luggage, and I just think that this is the perfect gift. First of all, everybody loves getting new luggage. Second of all, my mom really needs it. She travels constantly, but like she has such a good heart and such a big heart, and most of her traveling is literally going to help other people or to just be with family and literally help like with my sister's kids and like her friends, and she's just so fun to be around that everybody's constantly like, please come visit, like this, and I know for a fact that she needs new luggage. So today I'm going to be reviewing a luggage set from Level8. It is their 3-piece luggage set, and it is literally so cool. I haven't even unboxed it yet. So I ordered it in black because I feel like black is so sleek and like everybody likes black, and it looks really nice and luxurious. So I'm excited to see it and to show you guys. So let's just get to unboxing, and then we're gonna wrap some presents together. She has taken over the boxes. I'm gonna unbox these. You want to see what's inside? Oh my gosh. Literally, Lou gets presents too. She gets 3 amazing boxes that she gets to go in. Hey, little goose egg. And every bag comes with this slip cover, which is really nice for when you're storing them in your house. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm a little jealous because this is nice. The black is actually like really sexy. What a great design. So this one has the TSA lock right here. I think peace of mind is really important when traveling, and if you have like a lock on your suitcase, you're not really gonna worry about somebody like opening it or rifling through your things. That's my favorite part. So the zippers also don't dangle and like scratch up the suitcase. They literally have their own little spot right here. Pop them in here. So I am going to have a discount code for you guys. I'm going to put it right here, but it's also going to be in the description below. So make sure you check that out, as well as the links to everything will be in the description below. It's the luminous textured 3-piece set, or you can get them as a 2-piece set or individually. So they have lots of options for you, but I'm gonna leave all of those links below for you to reference. And on top of my discount code, they're also having other holiday deals depending on what time you order. So I'm gonna leave all that information in the description box, but like it's amazing, trust me. So there's 4 positions that the handle can go in. Highest, middle, medium, lowest. And there are dual handles. So like, I think that's really important, especially for a carry-on, because like you're gonna be like picking it up and hoisting it above, and that's like if you bring it on the plane with you, or even if you take this like on a road trip and you're putting it in your car. It's just a lot easier to maneuver with the dual handles. Let's open this baby up. Lots of compartments. I love a bag with lots of compartments. So we have the zipper compartment here and here, and then open it up. You have this compartment in here. I really love the gray interior. Like, it's just so timeless, and it looks really luxurious. Super, super nice inside. There's obviously like plenty of space, which is great for a carry-on, but the design is just so sleek. Woo! Some similarities, both sides zip as well as the carry-on, which I really like. There's 2 larger zipper compartments on this side. And then one of the main compartments on this side with the clasp right here. These things are so nice. With another clasp, and it is adjustable as well, so it keeps your clothes or possessions nice and secure. Last but not least, we have the big boy right here. Hello. This one, oh, okay. I already know. I'm excited to show you. The main difference in this one, like it's obviously bigger, but it's so much thicker. This is the medium-sized suitcase. And next to each other, it's taller, but it's also so much wider. Woo! All right, let's open her up. So you have your super extra large compartment right here with the adjustable strap that keeps things in place. This is much deeper than the other one, and it can hold so many things. And then on this side, you have the zipper compartments as well, which are larger than the middle size. And then you have another large compartment right here with another strap to keep things in place. Okay, so now you might be asking, how on earth am I gonna give these to somebody as a Christmas present? Well, first of all, I'm gonna keep the boxes that they came in, put them back in there, and wrap it up. I got this extra large wrapping paper at Home Goods the other day, and it's honestly so cute. I'm gonna wrap it in that and hope for the best. So let's get to wrapping. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and don't forget to use my coupon code right here at Level8. It'll also be in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. I'll always comment back to you. I want to get to know you guys better. Or if you have any questions about the luggage, I'm here and happy to help. I just want to say a huge thank you to Level8 for sponsoring this video. I know Christmas is gonna be so exciting, and I can't wait to let you guys know what my mom thinks about her new gift. So thank you for following along, and keep up with my vlogs because I have actual big news coming soon. Be sure to follow my other socials. They are all at Christina Eileen, and I'll leave the links below. Thanks guys, bye.